my name is Lisa Taylor and I'm a research technician with the University of Saskatchewan fruit breeding program. And today I'm going to talk to you about pruning sour cherries. So you can see here on my left, this is an example of a sour cherry that has been pruned into a tree form. We don't recommend this on the prairies because it's less hardy and it's more likely that your tree will suffer winter damage. What we do recommend instead is to actually prune it like these cherries over here in more of a cluster in a bush form. So the best way to prune sour cherries, or to grow sour cherries rather, is to grow them in a shrub-like form as opposed to a tree. So you can see these are growing in a nice patch and we're allowing them to send up suckers from their roots to rejuvenate the older wood. So usually you wait till your trees get about 6 feet high or so, close to mature height, but then you start to cut out the oldest wood, so like the 5-6-year-old wood, and then you let the new suckers take over and rejuvenate the patch. So some examples of old wood that you might want to cut out, like some of these bigger branches in here, I would cut something like that out. Usually you only cut about 1/4 to 1/6 or 1/6 to 1/4 of the overall branches. You don't want to overdo it, so yeah, just pick out the oldest ones that seem like they've been growing for a really long time. They've probably already fruited and they're not very productive anymore. You also want to prune out any bad branches that are wrapping around each other. Like down here is an example of some branches that are choking each other out. So I definitely want to deal with that and remove the ones that are rubbing up against the other ones. Start with this one here. I'm going to use my lopper pruners and I have my safety glasses on, which is really beneficial, especially when you're reaching into a patch like this where there's lots of sticks. You don't want to poke your eye out. So now I cut that one a little bit higher up because I didn't want to damage the ones beside it. So now I can pull it away a little bit. And finish off the cut. Now I'm going to go in with my sucketeers. There, finish it off. Now these two are still twisting together, so I'm going to remove another one as well. There. There, now they're no longer interfering and this one can grow nice and straight.